Hi, my name is Josh Pobega. I'm a solutions engineer at Trend Micro. Today we're going to be covering our Log4J vulnerability testing tool that we've developed to help you identify server applications that may have been affected by the Log4Shell vulnerability. Before we begin, I'd like to call out that we have this unique identifier, which is what we should see if a server is potentially vulnerable and should be investigated further in the response. So again, if we see this unique identifier down here as a response to our query, that may indicate that the server is vulnerable. This also guarantees that the responses that you're going to be receiving are unique to the request that you sent. So other folks who are using the tool should not be receiving your responses. If we refresh the page, you'll see that there are unique identifiers. So there are two components to this tool. We have internal facing and public facing. Just a quick note, the query that we're going to be hitting or using should be hitting an API endpoint or form, which eventually does some sort of action on the back end. You can do get or post here. Just make sure that there is some action that's actually occurring on the back end. So I've pre-populated this with an endpoint already. We can just hit send, and the request has been sent. Now, this refreshes every 30 seconds. So maximum you're waiting 30 seconds. I did that right near the top there, so it'll be another 20 seconds or so. I'll reiterate though that if a result does come back, it should be investigated further because it may be vulnerable. If there are no results, again, it's not a guarantee that the server is not vulnerable. So you'll see we did receive a unique identifier here in the response. I'll copy and paste that. Search. You'll see that it does match, so that may indicate that this server has the Log4Shell vulnerability. Now for internal facing, you can put in an address here. It will generate a curl command for you to use, and the same actions will be performed. You should expect to see the unique ID show up.